Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about what cases are heard in a circuit court, a cornerstone of the American legal system. Think of a circuit court as the main, all-purpose trial court at the state level. It's often called a court of general jurisdiction, which is just a legal way of saying it can handle a huge variety of serious cases, unlike more specialized courts. It's important to know that the name can be different depending on your state. It might be called a superior court, court of common pleas, or even a district court in some areas, but their function is largely the same. So what kinds of issues actually end up in front of a circuit court judge? The cases fall into two major categories, civil and criminal. First, let's look at civil cases. These are disputes between people, organizations, or businesses, where one party is typically seeking money or a specific action from another. A massive portion of a circuit court's docket is dedicated to family law. This is where divorces are granted, child custody and visitation schedules are determined, and child support and alimony payments are ordered. Adoptions are also finalized here. Beyond family matters, circuit courts handle large-scale civil lawsuits. This includes personal injury cases, like those from a serious car accident or a slip-and-fall incident where the damages claimed are above a certain amount, often thousands of dollars. They also hear medical malpractice claims, breach of contract lawsuits between businesses, and disputes over real estate, like arguments over property lines or ownership. Another key area is probate, which involves validating wills and overseeing the administration of a person's estate after they've passed away. On the other side of the courtroom, you have criminal cases. Circuit courts don't deal with minor infractions like traffic tickets or low-level misdemeanors. Those are handled in lower courts like municipal or district courts. Circuit courts handle the most serious crimes, felonies. A felony is a crime where the potential punishment is more than a year in state prison. We're talking about major offenses like murder, manslaughter, armed robbery, kidnapping, major drug trafficking, and aggravated assault. In these cases, it's the state, represented by a prosecutor, bringing charges against an individual, and it's often in a circuit court where a jury will decide if the person is guilty or not guilty. Finally, in some states, circuit courts also act as an appellate court for the courts below them. This means if you lose a case in a small claims court or a traffic court, you might be able to appeal the decision to the circuit court for a second look. So, from family breakups and million-dollar lawsuits to the most serious felony trials, the circuit court is where many of life's most critical legal battles are fought. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this explanation helped you understand the vital role these courts play. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more simple explanations of the legal world. See you next time.